welcome back to my channel. Thank you all so much for watching my videos. In this video, I'm going to show you how I make my own scalp massage oil at home for rapid hair growth. The first ingredient I'm going to be using is aloe vera, which I already chopped into smaller pieces. Then I'll just, in my frying pan, I have some olive oil already inside. I'll just pour my aloe vera into it, and then I'll add the second ingredient, which is avocado. I'll bring both of it to a boil for about 30 minutes on very low heat. At the end of this video, I'm going to show you how I use this oil on my scalp. You can use any oil of your choice. If coconut oil works for your hair, you can use coconut oil, but I don't use coconut oil on my hair, so I'm using olive oil. You can use any other oil of your choice. And while the oil is boiling, you have to make sure that you stir it from time to time, just for it not to stick at the bottom of the pot. And make sure you crush the big sizes or the sizes of the avocado and the aloe vera, so that it gets smaller for it to easily cook. And another way is you can as well blend it in a blender if you want, so it will not take time or it will not be difficult for it to be cooked. But this way is the easiest way for me, so you can do it any way you want. You can see the oil is ready now. It is dark brown, as if it is burned, but it is not burned. And now I'll just go ahead now and strain it very well. You can use a cheesecloth or any other thing of your choice and strain your oil with it very well. I'm done squeezing my oil. I'm just going to transfer it into this bottle that I'm going to be using. I'm done transferring my oil into my bottle. You can as well put yours in an applicator bottle that you can just use directly on your scalp. I don't have that at the moment, so I'll be using my bottle. Then now I'll go in with 10 drops of peppermint oil. Peppermint oil is very good as a preservative, and it also helps to increase hair growth. This oil is very good for your scalp, and it can also be used on the skin. It is very effective if you have eczema or anything of that sort. Just use this oil, but I'll advise, if you have to use it on your skin, add lavender oil to combat the smell. And now I'll just shake it very well so that the peppermint can mix together with the oil. Then I'll be keeping it aside to use later. If you are new to my channel, thank you all so much, and please don't forget to hit that red subscribe button down there and put your bell to all, so that you always be notified each time I post a new video. Now I'm going to be showing you how I use this oil on my scalp. I will just apply it generously on my scalp, and then I will use my massager or my massage comb to massage my scalp very well for about 10 minutes. Then I will cover it and leave it to sit for about 30 minutes before I shampoo my hair. Thank you all so much for watching my video. I would love to see you all in my next video. Bye bye.